guys, what's up? It's Joshua.
This is Oliver.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Joshua. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, we're going to be making pizza.
Yes.
I'll show you what pizza I mean, though. Okay.
What?
So I'll be back in a second. Okay, so we're going to be making these pizzas. And yeah, so let's try it out. We're going to open it now. Open it. Open it. Okay. Yeah. So, we've got a pizza. So we've got a dough. I'll help him. Hold on. Don't need to try it, you know. You just need to ask. Be sensible, Oliver. Come on. Alright, so let's make some pizza.
Cheese.
Okay, so I'll put you in.
I don't like cheese on pizza or that sauce.
Right, I can't have just dough, Oliver, okay? You have to have, that's what like a cheese pizza we have from the shops. Right then. So I don't think we're going to be needing all of this. We probably just need one cheese and then probably both of the sauces.
What?
Right then. Are you ready? So, first you need to open your sauce. Let me get some scissors, don't do that.
Just
Stop
slide into it.
Well, we can't see you all, okay? So it's no point. I'm going to get a knife to spread it around. Or maybe just a spoon. Can you stop it? Okay, so this is mine and then that's Oliver's. Let's move Oliver's across.
Yeah.
Stop it, Oliver.
I love you, Candy.
Stop. Right then. So, Oliver, stop it. Or else I'm going to take you out of the video. Okay, so put a little bit of sauce on your pizza. Like this.
Shall I put 2 on?
Then you're just going to use a
Is it
back of a spoon
unpin?
to like swirl around a
Is
little.
it unpin?
Let me open it.
How is it? It's like that, like that.
Come here, let me open it. Don't need too much, just a little bit because you need to do both, so do that one first. Okay. So, you actually get it on the pizza Oliver. That's enough, God. Right, and so you get the back of a spoon, and then you, hold on, do that one after, hold on, wait, and then you do it like that, okay?
Okay.
Okay, rub it around. Right then, now I'm going for my cheese. So we're going to see it and taste it at the end, because we are going to put them in a microwave for like 20 seconds or older. And yeah. So I've got the cheese. Can't even get the cheese out of the packet.
It looks like a burger.
More difficulties. Right then. So,
There we go.
But you
I've
can
done
also
it.
cut
Look.
Right, well done. Right then.
Should I
So,
put
if you want many bits of cheese like this, so you
Should I
can just
put
get your scissors
some
and then
on
cut
one?
it like that.
Should I put some on the new one?
Get this strip of cheese. Wait. Don't do everyone yet. Right, and Oliver.
Okay.
There's a little bit of cheese, so just wait. Need a little bit more cheese in that probably. Right, now this is also your cheese here, so put it with your other cheese.
Should I put my cheese on now?
Yep, if you want. Right then. There's Oliver's cheese, and I'm going to do my cheese.
Yeah, I'm making a face.
Okay. Making a face. Very nice.
And a one nose.
A long nose. Right, okay, sure. Why not? A long nose. Is that nice cheese?
That, I just like a bit of sauce.
Yeah, is it nice?
Yeah.
Right, so now we're going to put some cheese on the actual pizza.
Can I move this spoon? Where shall I put it? Okay. Cheese pizza.
Okay, so that's my first one. And now we're going to make our second ones. So, we're going to do pretty much the same thing what we just done. I'm just going to do it again pretty much.
I see it
Get
is.
some sauce. Oh my god, I'm getting myself so messy here.
And Vic, I put my cheese
I
on.
think I need a little bit more sauce.
Look at my cheese. Should I put some on my new one now?
Yep, so you put a little bit more sauce. Oh my god, I'm literally making a mess on this chopping board. Good luck we're doing it on a chopping board instead of a counter. And also my mum will get very mad. Okay, I think I've got enough sauce.
And Rick, no.
Oh, yeah.
Shall I spread it through now?
Yep. You might want to hold it at the same time, you know, so it don't fall. Right, and so now I'm going to make more cheese for us. Oliver, this is your cheese.
Yeah, hey. After I've done this. And I
About
have it.
enough for us. Aren't you? This is my second time, but the first time was quite rough, so yeah.
Ah. So toss it. I finished.
I hope these are going to be
I
nice.
finished spreading it through.
Yeah. Right, so that's all the cheese for all the pizza. And after this, we're going to microwave them and we're going to taste them. So hopefully we do taste good after.
Nice. That's
So we're
nice.
going to microwave Oliver's first and then 20 seconds. So if you want to do this at home, then you can. You just need Lunchables, and if you want to, you can have them cold or you can microwave them, but only for 20 seconds.
And about that, I don't want these pieces of cheese.
Right, okay, then just put them outside and don't
I
bother.
want some on the normal now.
Okay, are you sure that was quite fun? Right then.
It's
So
a bite.
now we're going to put cheese pizzas into the microwave. Right, and put your pizza. Put your pizza on here.
No, I like cheese on sauce like that.
Don't do that. No, that's going to ruin the pizza. Don't do that. Okay. So now do you want to warm them up then? Okay, I'm going through. So I'm just going to get the camera. Ooh, God, I'm making it. Ooh. Hold on, I'll be back in a sec. Okay, so now we're just going to put it on for 20 seconds. Okay. Hopefully this is going to taste good.
Yes. Okay, guys.
Sorry. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Yeah.
Okay then.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, I am sorry. Okay then. So now we are going to stop it, Oliver.
Okay, well, where's your
Right then. So there's my pizza. This actually looks very good.
Yeah.
I'm trying.
Which
Which
one's
one I'm trying
mine?
first? Both of them are yours. They're yours.
Do what?
Not that. They're not even hot, Oliver. Come on, try it. Right, and now I'm just going to put mine in for 20 seconds.
Yeah.
Right, and don't try them yet, actually. Wait for me. Right, I'll see you when I'm ready. Now then, we have my pizza. Okay. So, now for the taste test. Okay.
You tried yours first.
Okay. Hold on. Now we're going to try them.
Oh, I'm just going to take a picture.
Hot. That's very hot.
Please.
That's quite good. Right, Oliver. Come back. Try it.
Is this my face?
It's actually very nice. Okay. Very nice. Quick meal. It's actually very good. Not lying. But I think I'm going to end the video here because I don't think you just want to watch us eat the pizza, do you? Okay. So if you like this video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Ooh, hello. I don't know why I'm saying hi because I need to say bye.